In this video, I'll talk about how you can install YouTube TV on your TV. If you have a smart TV, all you have to do is connect to the Wi-Fi, open up the App Store or whatever kind of Google Play Store, whatever your TV brand is, and search for the YouTube TV. In there, you just want to select it and download it. Once you've done that, just sign in and you now have it. Now, if you're using any streaming device like Roku or any of these, you just want to follow these steps. So I'll leave the here for each one, and these are the most popular ones. So just follow these, and if you use something that's not one of these, you can try and Google for your specific one. Now if you use the Chromecast, you can just open it on your phone or on your PC, and then do the cast icon to start streaming from your TV. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.